Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. I actually just put in the new cargo light for the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what happened with that. Remember a couple videos ago, I ordered two extra cargo lights that were LEDs from LED.com or F150 LED, something like that. And it looks like when I showed you, one of the bulbs was out. So I actually contacted them. They were able to send me a new cargo light out. I just put it in, so let me show you what that looks like real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock the truck. All right, so here it is right here. And remember the one on the right was actually out, and now they are both perfect. So that was the quick update. Unfortunately, we still have the tail light out. That needs to go ahead and get it. I'm actually getting a whole new tail light, so I'll make a video about that. And as you can see, there's water damage in it. This bulb's out, so I'm just getting a whole new tail light. But look right here. So now we have LEDs here, LED there, and LED at the top. So now they're all the same color. It looks really cool, looks really sleek. Let me show you here. And they're really bright. The camera can't really pick it up, but they are super, super bright. At night, this whole bed lights up. I know some F-150s, some trucks have little lights in here that you can press, but if I keep the door open, the cargo lights will stay on, and it'll literally light up the whole entire bed. So you don't even need lights in here. The cargo lights will light everything. It's super, super bright. And then these right here are holding up very good. These are really bright at night. It's not too dark out. As you can see, it's kind of getting the sun's going down, but this is what it looks like from the back here. I'll go ahead and back it up. And yeah, don't mind the tail light that's still out, but still waiting to get that fixed. But as you can see, it looks good. It looks symmetrical. It looks they're all white, and I want to get LEDs for the tail lights, but the only thing is I would have to get a resistor kit. I heard if you switch the bulbs out right here, then you need a whole resistor kit, or else you'll get the hyper flash. So don't really want that. But what I can do is I can go ahead and order some LED reverse lights, and you actually don't need a resistor kit for that. So, but I was looking at maybe getting new tail lights, or I don't know, I kind of like these tail lights, so the bulbs are fine. But hopefully everything will come together. I know I still have to order. I actually just ordered a new tail light, so I'll take a video and show a video on how to replace this tail light. I was like contemplating getting a new bulb, but I was like, you know what, there's already water damage in it, and this thing already cracked, so I might as well get a whole new housing, because the water could get in it again and mess it up. But yeah, it was pretty simple taking this off right here. It's just basically like the 4 bolts. You take it out, you put the new one in. F-150 LEDs was super good to me. They said that everything was totally fine. They can just order a new one. They ship it out to me totally free of cost, and they were understanding about it. So there you guys go. There's a quick update of what I did to the truck. So next, we gotta do the taillights, and then we got some big things coming for the truck. I know I got a lot of cool things, a lot of cool videos that I'm gonna knock out for you guys. I know you guys want to see the build on the truck, and hopefully if you guys have a truck or any kind of build, just leave a comment, type in the comments, what you have, and I kind of want to know like what your goals are, and if you have any suggestions or recommendations you'd like to see me do to this build. There's a lot of fun, cool stuff that I'm gonna go ahead and do over the time I have this truck, and I'm gonna have it for a long time. So we're gonna have a lot of content coming out for this video, for this truck. If you have any other videos that you'd like to see me film, or anything that you would like to see me do, like I said, leave a comment, leave a like down below. So I'm just gonna do a quick walk around, because I know it's been a little while since I actually showed you guys what the truck looks like. And so this is just me in the parking lot right now where I live, and I'm just gonna walk around the truck real quick. It's getting kind of dark, so maybe kind of hard to see on camera. I actually just washed it yesterday, and you know what's crazy? Having a black truck, it just gets dirty so quickly. Like, you could wash it and then the next day it's dirty again, especially in the spring where there's a ton of pollen everywhere. It just gets insanely dirty for like a day. So this is it right here. Just walking around. I'm gonna press this button one more time, unlock it, bam. LED, LED, LED. Not only does it look better, but it's so much brighter, and it just looks more classy, looks more high-end. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it. So here's this side. and I'm literally loving the way the truck's coming out. I think it looks awesome just how it is, but there's always room for improvement, always room to do better, bigger and better things. Headlights next, tint the windshields, hopefully get exhaust soon, and then it's time to do suspension. A lot of other little small stuff that I'm gonna do, but I just love the way that front or the back end looks. It just looks so cool. It looks so mean, so clean. The plasti dip is holding up really well, as you can see. No chips, no peeling, nothing like that. The front had a little, literally the day I did it, a bug got into it or something like that. So there's a small little tiny piece right here, right there, which you can't really see, but it's there. But that's pretty much it. So, yep, so that's it, guys. I would say that this is the best looking truck that I've seen that's technically stock. Like, basically this truck is stock. I've done a couple of small things to it, but the majority, if you looked at it, you think it's a stock truck, but you would think it's a high-end, higher trim, not a base truck. And that was the look I was going for. I wanted to have the OEM plus look, but also not pay $55,000, for a truck, when I can really do small stuff like this and make it look like, more high-end, more pristine. I mean, just even this tailgate cover right here, like, it was like $60, and it just makes the back end look so much better. So, yep, so that's it. Hopefully, I'm going to be putting, I know I said I'm putting videos out every week, but hopefully I'll go ahead and, I've been putting out 2 videos a week. So I'm doing a little bit more than I said I was going to do, which is probably awesome for you guys, because I know you guys love the content. So, like I said, leave a comment, leave a like, and share with your friends. I actually do have a TikTok now. My TikTok is Professor Mike. I'm going to be posting truck videos on there, so go ahead and follow that. My Instagram, Professor Mike, as well. I have 2 Instagrams. I have Professor Mike, my personal account, and then I have my car/truck account, which is Professor Mike 2. So go ahead and follow me on those. Send me a message. Let me know you subscribed. We're at a pretty good amount of subscribers now, so I want to keep it up. I actually gained like 4 or 5 subscribers just today when I woke up, which is actually super cool, because I haven't gotten that much in one day. So it's growing. I'm looking at the view analytics. I'm looking at what you guys want, and I'm reading the comments. So don't be afraid to comment down below. Tell me what you guys have. Tell me what your build is. Tell me what you like to see done to this truck, and hopefully we'll catch y'all in the next video. So peace out.